to the first session where you will learn about how change impacts every facet of our lives. And we will start to examine how to use mindfulness techniques to achieve personal growth. Let's start with this notion of change. What is it? I am inspired by this quote which says, "Change is not something that we should fear. Rather, it is something that we should welcome. For without change, nothing in this world would ever grow or blossom. And no one in this world would ever move forward to become the person they're meant to be." Here are 3 questions for you. First, what are you looking to change in your life? Maybe a new job, falling in love, losing those few extra pounds, traveling, writing a novel, starting a family, buying a home, leaving an unhappy relationship. Together, we will find a way. My second question is for those in the midst of a change. What is that change? Could it be a divorce, a bereavement, unemployment, family challenges, moving house, getting married, the birth of a child? Mindfulness will help. My final question is around your future. I want you to delve deep within. Ask yourself, what would you like your future to look like? Happier, at peace, content. Maybe more self-aware, courageous, energized, liberated, and empowered. By taking a moment to reflect upon these questions, you expose what's taking place in your life, or what will take place in your life, to set the stage for managing these changes. You start to see the future you, the light at the end of the tunnel. We will create a framework for you to navigate the ups and downs of either initiating or coping with change. In the next session, I will share with you my personal story